Hello and hi deviants, welcome back to Software Tech. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can add and hide and design search bar in your WordPress blog or page using Divi Page Builder. To add or design search bar, first we need to log into the dashboard. Now go to Pages and edit a page in which you want to add search bar. Now here you have to choose a layout. I will select build from scratch. Click on this plus icon, add a regular section and select a single row. Now search a search bar. Select this search module. Now here you have search bar, you can see them. Now add an input placeholder. I will add search post. Now from elements you can show the search button or hide it. Now the most important thing is expectation section. You can exclude pages when you search something on the search bar. The pages with same search name will never appear. I will edit you can see I will have added a search post, so I will exclude this pages section. Now you can also exclude these categories if you don't want to show the post that was showing in these categories. I will exclude these categories. You can also exclude all the posts, but this was not a good practice. Now in background you can change the bar's background. I will never change this one. Just simply go to design field section. You can edit this field. Now change placeholder text color. I will make it black. Now here you can change the field background. I will select this one. Now go to field text color. When someone types, how it looks, it will appear like in black color. Now go to field font. I will select the font to Acme. Make it bold and size to 15. Now go to text. You can change its alignment. I will leave this section. Just go to button text. Now here in this button text, you can change first. You can change the background of this button. Now change the button text color to red or green. Now change its font style to Alata. Make it bold and change size to 15 is perfect. Now add shadow like this, and shadow color is this one. Now from sizing you can change maximum width of this search bar like this. I will add 25%. Maximum width you can set a maximum width. Now make it in center like this. Now click on these three dots and save the post. Now you have successfully updated the post. Just click on exit visual builder button. Now here you can see you have added a search bar. I will search WordPress and search. It will show me all the posts that was related to the WordPress. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more updates about Divi. Thanks for watching.